Welcome back and thank you for always watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. And today I want to look at very important aspect, the closing cost involved when buying a property. And these are not hidden costs as many people say, because they are very, very open in any real estate transaction. And I did a presentation here where stamp duty and legal fee, they're quite standard in regards to any real estate purchase, especially in Kenya. And for stamp duty, this is the tax you pay to the government. It is 4% in urban areas and 2% in agricultural properties. That is, we're talking if you invest in Kajiado or you buy a ranch in Laikipia, it will get you about 2% of the property value. But remember also, stamp duty is subject to government valuation, so it lies close to the value agreed as the sales price, but it can go lower because the government has to come with a proper market value of the property. And then there's legal fees. This is the fee you pay for both lawyers. Remember, the developer's lawyer drafts the sale agreement and also organizes for your title transfer and every document that relates to the property. Hence, you pay 1% plus value added tax in Kenyan. And for your lawyer, you'll have to pay also another 1% plus value added tax. And remember, maybe some might be willing to negotiate, but this is already a negotiated rate according to the scale of fees availed by the Law Society of Kenya. And then from number 3 to number 8, this cost varies depending on the development and the magnitude of the investment. But typically, for meter electricity, you'll pay about $100. And for water meter, you'll pay around $150. And for advanced service charge, also this depends with the size of the unit, the location of the property, and the amenities in the building, because different amenities require different services. And hence, to maintain the amenities and the services being availed to you, you're required to pay service charge. And typically, you'll have to pay service charge in advance for about 6 to 12 months, and I equated that to a one-bedroom service charge that comes around $500 to $700. That is an average value. And document charges, this is any lawyer and any real estate transaction involves a lot of document printing and a lot of binding. Hence, you'll be charged about Kenyan shillings 5,000, or in dollars, that is about $40. And then there is the title registration. For you to own a property in Kenya, you need a section or title for the land, for an apartment, sorry. And for a landowner, you also need a freehold or leasehold title. And this will cost you about $700 for an apartment. But remember also, this cost is proportionate to the value of your investment, and each title comes with its own cost. Hence, this is just an estimate of the amount if you're buying an apartment. But for title transfer, when it comes to land transaction, it might go lower or higher depending with the size of your investment. And lastly, we'll have to involve a valuer to ascertain the property value, and they'll charge you about $200 or $300 depending with the size of the investment. Remember, as I said, number 3 to 8, all those costs are not exact, but I used just estimates just to apportion a value into it. But stamp duty is quite standard unless the government reviews the property taxes, and legal fee is also quite standard in most of the transaction. Yes, if you buy an apartment of 4 million, will incur 4% stamp duty. That is about 160,000. And for legal fee, you will pay about 80,000 to both the lawyers. That is inclusive of VAT. And I think for such a size of an apartment, the title registration fee. All the other costs might remain the same, but the title registration fee might go lower depending also on the location. Yeah. So if you're looking for a property in Kenya, don't hesitate to contact me or my partner in the US, Desmond Sutebu, and I will avail his contact for anyone who wants a one-on-one conversation, especially for anyone in the US and around the world. And also, if you want to contact me directly, please don't hesitate to dial +254 0703 460 686. And thank you for always listening to my real estate insights on my YouTube and social media channels. Keep following me, keep subscribing, and don't hesitate. Thank you.